Today we are going to do something a little fun, considering we haven't traveled anywhere this year. We're gonna take pictures around our house of our quarantine life in 2020. Normally every year we do a Christmas card of all of our travels around the world, but since we haven't gone anywhere, you get home photos. But with a little comedic twist. Here are some of the Christmas cards over the past couple of years to showcase quite a few of the locations that we've done videos on over the past year. That's Alaska, Cancun, Ireland. This is actually me in Italy. That was the girls' trip. So that's 2016, and then we're actually only partway through 2017 with our filming of our locations, but we've got Austria and Germany. We'll be posting Australia soon, as well as Washington, Annapolis. This is when Michael was deployed. That's actually in Dubai. That video will be coming up as well. And this is last year when we got married. So yeah, it's just kind of a fun thing that we do to reflect back on our trips, as well as share our memories with our friends and family. So yeah, now we're gonna do the comedic quarantine version. Here we go. You're good, you didn't even flinch. We gotta get me covered in flour first.
Yep.
Time to cover me.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
Shake it off into the thing.
Michael, that's a lot.
I know.
Michael! I thought you were just gonna like swipe it across my face.
I thought so too.
Babe. You thought so too.
Buddy.
Do we need more on my arms and stuff? Do I look okay?
Hold on.
I'm glad I'm filming this because then people will see what you do to me behind closed doors.
We're good to go.
Oop.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 11, 12.
Wait, what am I supposed to do?
13, 14, 15. That's
Okay.
a good one.
We got the pic. We got the pic. We'll be sure to share the card once we receive it, so stay tuned.